Hi guys, my name is Lesley Jennison and I'm your Global Ambassador for Schwarzkopf Professional. And I'm here in LA, which I love, and I'm at the Academy and I'm going to talk all things the new blonde me. We are going to spend the next while talking about the new lighteners from the Precision Lightener, brand new, the Clay Lightener and the 9-level lift, everyone's favourite. We're going to talk about lift and blend. We're going to talk about high lifts, deep toners, but we're going to start with the pastel toners. Why are we relaunching BLONDME? Let me tell you why. Two main things. Firstly, sustainability, which is so important to us, so important to everybody. The packaging now, I mean, you can see it's absolutely gorgeous, stackable, cool, but it's all recyclable. The second, kind of really cool for me, and to every colourist out there, we now have this new advanced bonding technology. We also have that in combination with the anti-metal detox technology. This is chelating. This is now biodegradable, that's really cool, but also what that is going to do is it's going to allow us to expect a better hair quality and a better colour. Now the way that chelating agent works is kind of a little bit like Pac-Man. If you remember playing Pac-Man as a kid, the monsters, which is the detox technology, it's not a monster, it's an angel for us, but it sits on the surface of the hair and it grabs hold of any of those nasties, any of those metals, any of those impurities, and that's allowing all that bonding technology to go inside the hair and do its job to the best it possibly can, which for us means better hair colour, better quality of hair. We're going to talk about pastel toners. We can now say that we have an holistic approach to toning hair with BLONDME. The reason we can say that is that we have this true demi, pH neutral. So if you remember before, it was slightly more alkaline at a level sort of 10 to 11. Now it's pH neutral, which also that helps to have a longevity with our pastel toning. Now I've got a few tips later on that I want to tell you about to keep that longevity for as long as possible. It's also ammonia free and it has the bonding technology and also the hydrolock technology. Now that is really cool, so fabulous technology. It's about binding water inside the hair and that moisture keeps the hair in a better quality and it keeps the colour at the absolute optimised level.